What's up, friends? People that like to watch my videos and everyone that appreciates this stuff. I am Alex with Stucco Done Right. This is another house that we are doing a complete removal of the EIFS exterior insulation finish system. We're removing it and we'll be installing Hard Coat Stucco. So we have a crew here, Mauricio up there, Francisco, Anderson, Carlos up above. This is one of our crews. We started the demo. We started this house today, October 3rd. We were scheduled for October 10th, but I wanted to get going on this house just because of the weather. It's nice out there right now. We're in Colorado, so we're gonna take advantage of the good weather. So we found out that this windows from here down, this windows down, this windows down, this down, and that have moisture damage. So we're gonna be replacing substrate and any damaged studs that we find. Let me show you. Oh shit. I don't want to drop a grinder on my hand. That hard. So the stud is good here. Thing is still wet. Look at this is the plywood. Look. That's plywood. Wet plywood. It feels wet too. So they're installing this tarp to prevent pieces of styrofoam and stuff flying all over this nice, beautiful landscape. We don't want that. Sure, the homeowners don't want that either. Alrighty, folks, I am Alex with Stucco Done Right. Again, thank you for watching another one of my videos. We'll keep you posted on this house.